Hello friends, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to study about surface areas and volume. What is surface areas? Suppose we have a cupboard, we have to paint this cupboard from outside. So we have 6 faces, that is top and bottom, left and right, and front and back. So all these faces which we painted from outside, so this is called the surface area of this cupboard. So in this lesson we will discuss how to find the total surface area of some important object. So let us start with the cylinder. Suppose I have a rectangular sheet. So this is a length part and this is the breadth part. So I'll fold this rectangular sheet like this. So the length part became a circle. So like this. This is the length part. So the length part became a circle and the breadth part is nothing but height. This is the height. Now we'll write the CSA of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder. So that is, we have a rectangular sheet. So this is the length and the breadth part is nothing but a height. So what is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is length into L into H. So length is, the length became a circular part. So if I fold it like this, so the length became a circle. So that is nothing but the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r into h. So therefore CSA, curved surface area of cylinder, is 2 pi RH. Now we'll write total surface area of a cylinder, that is TSA of a cylinder. So this is nothing but CSA of a cylinder, that is the curved surface of cylinder, and we have a top and a bottom of this surface is like a circle, shape of a circle. We have 2 circles. This is total surface area. So plus area of 2 circles. So that is CSA of cylinder, we know that 2 pi RH plus the area of circle is pi r square. And we have another circle, that is pi r square. So we have 2 circles, so therefore pi r square plus pi r square. So this becomes 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So now 2 pi r we can take it into common. 2 pi r we can take and the remaining is h plus r. So that is 2 pi r into r plus h. So this is total surface area of a cylinder. Now we'll go to volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. So that is, this is the radius and this is the height. So now volume of cylinder is nothing but base area into height. So that is, the base is nothing but the area of a circle. So that is pi r square, and height is h. So therefore, the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So friends, the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h.